How do I switch between accounts in Apex?
Hello, Apex Legends gamers. We've all had times where we've wanted to swap between our multiple accounts, but maybe you're not exactly sure how to do it. Today, we're here to help. In this video, we'll walk you through how to switch between accounts in Apex Legends.
Preparing to switch accounts.
First things first, you need to exit from your current Apex Legends account. To do this, 1. In the game's main menu, look for and click on the Quit option. 2. In the pop-up window that follows, confirm that you wish to quit. This will effectively log you out of your current account.
Switching to a new account.
Now that you've logged out, you're ready to log in to your second Apex Legends account. Here's how you do it. 1. On the game startup screen, click on Sign In. 2. In the login prompt, enter the username and password for your second account. 3. After entering your credentials, click Sign In to enter the game with your new account. Note, the exact steps may vary slightly depending on your platform, e.g., PC, PS4, Xbox.
Troubleshooting common issues.
Switching accounts should be a straightforward process, but sometimes things can get a little tricky. Here are some common issues and their fixes. If you cannot log out of your current account, try restarting your game or your device. If you cannot log into your second account, double-check your username and password for any errors. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to recover your account. And there you have it. Switching between accounts in Apex Legends is as easy as that. We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll be enjoying the thrill of the game with your other accounts in no time. Game on, Legends!